In this video, you are going to know how to change the file type of Windows. Let's check properties. Here you can see it's exe file type. All the description given. Now we will search for File Explorer option. Click on it. Now you can see there is 3 options. You will have to click View. Here you can see Hide extension for non-file types. Uncheck this box. Apply. Okay, it's done. Now click OK. Here we can see this AnyDex application showing exe file type. We're going to change the file type now. Should go to rename and it is exe. Use 1 dot, don't use 2 dot, use 1 dot. Now mp3. Yeah, that's it. Now it will ask the permission. Yes, it's done. Now the file type is mp3. We can also change to another file types, whatever we want. Now change it to MOV type. Yes, I'm sure it's changed to MOV file type. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, please.